As we look back on this year, 2025, dali kaayo mapuno ug mabusog ang atong kasing-kasing ug pagpasalamat. Grabe ka faithful si Lord in every season, every challenge, and every celebration. Sa tibuok Miracle Global Ministries Incorporated family, ang iyang gugma o grasya mao'y nagpahiusa o naghatag og rason kanato aron magpadayon. And today, magpasalamat ta, not just because this year was good, but because God has been so good. Una, we thank God for His unfailing grace and guidance. Luyo sa kalisod ug kakapoy, gipanghawiran ta niya. He guided our steps, strengthened our hearts, and reminded us that His presence is always enough. Ikaduha, we thank God for the growth of our church family. Daghan kaayong salamat sa atong mga pastors, leaders, parents, young people, and the kids. Lahat po kayo ay naging blessing for this church. Your unity and love made our ministry stronger this year. Salamat kaayo sa inyong kasing-kasing ng andam mo alagad para sa atong buhi nga Dios. Ikatulo, we thank God for lives transformed through His Word, through preaching, worship, prayers, and fellowship. Daghan kaayong kinabuhi ang giusab sa Ginoo. Hearts were healed, faith was renewed, and many were drawn closer to Jesus. Ikaapat, we thank God for the victories and blessings in every ministry, every event, every outreach, and every answered prayer. Mga timaan nga buhi ug matinud-anon ng atong Ginoo. He was with us in every moment, big and small. Ug sa tanan, daghan kaayong salamat. Thank you sa inyong mga pag-ampo, suporta, pag-alagad ug gugma. Salamat sa inyong pagpadayon. Bisan usahay kapoy, usahay lisod. You made this year beautiful because you chose to stand in faith and serve with joy. Ang among pag-ampo nga padayon unta kita nga mabubuan sa grasya, kaligon ug gahom sa Dios. As children of God, padayon ta nga daladala ang kahayag sa Dios.